Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about impulsive moves, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
So was there any thinking of right around 10 o'clock there when it hit that red candle right before the green of going in there with a call entry? Is that trying to,
At the bottom there?
yeah, at the bottom where it basically hit the session low?
Not for me.
Let me just say this. On big impulsive moves, everything's thrown out the window. All right. So they don't happen that often, but they do. And we see them. Usually you see big impulsive moves up at the open and goes, today it went down. But the rules are still the same. And I talk about it all the time, but I've never really put it in as, okay, here's an alternative strategy and how we will deal that and documented it. Although, if you've been with me long enough, you know that I've talked about it a lot.
The divergence right now that's showing, of course, we have to wait for confirmation, right, for the close of the candle, but that's still showing a continuation down.
The blue are the continuation ones. Right. So this one was a continuation here, up here, the first blue. And the second one is this one. And then third one is this one.
Okay.
If I draw that out again, first one was here. Second one was here. Third one was here. I'm just looking at the blues. But see, now we're getting all of these reversals, regular divergences in here. I'm thinking, okay, now these seem to be powerful. It looks like it might reverse the other way, which is telling me I should probably get out of that trade.
I just wanted to be clear in terms of I understand the strategy in terms of looking mainly at volume profile. And the reason why I asked the question about 10 o'clock there is because if you were thinking of a bullish day based on the morning analysis, when it did drop and flirt with the top of the node at around 10 o'clock, you could have, now maybe it's the wrong way of thinking, but one of my thinking was as well, that might be an entry point to go in thinking it was going to reverse and go up, which now that we've been talking about these divergences, there might not have been any confirmation there at that time. However, if you were just looking at volume profile, you might be thinking, okay, it's hitting the top of a node. Is it going to have any sort of resistance? And then the next candle was green there, so I thought, oh, okay, I'm going to take a call fly right here because it's reversing.
And that's fine. Look, as far as based on what
wasn't a bad way of thinking. Okay.
No, you're thinking it came all the way down here. It looks like it's bouncing off of a strong level, structural level, and you take a call.
Okay.
I don't see anything wrong with that. The way I was looking at it, just being a little bit more nuanced, I'm thinking, okay, this is an impulsive move. I think that there's going to be a pullback and then a retest. But you're not thinking that way, which is fine. The way you're thinking, because sometimes that's what happens. That does happen sometimes where you come down with an impulsive move and then it just reverses and just keeps on going up.
Yeah, and that's what I was thinking, and that's why I took my trade, and I just wanted to be sure that I was thinking the right way according to the strategy.
The answer is yes. Yeah, right? Okay. Because that's what you know, and we've seen that before. I would say that's about a 35% case where it will totally reverse after an impulsive move and go higher. It's a good shot, right? And you're not putting on a lot of risk.
Right.
You'll get paid off big. But on impulsive moves, there's about a 65% shot that it's going to retrace somewhere between 38 and 75%, usually somewhere closer to the middle, about 50%, and then make another move down and then test the session low. But I never really talked about impulsive moves down, other than the fact that I've said while we were looking at impulsive moves up, I've said, oh, the same can happen the other direction too. We just haven't really experienced too many of them, right? I wish I could give you guys every possible situation on everything that we see and say, okay, these are all the things that you should be looking for. Unfortunately, that's not possible.
Like you said, there's a learning experience. I'm well within the risk tolerance on my trade. So if it doesn't pull up and I lose, I only took a 20 wide fly at this point. There's a chance that who knows, but I got it for
it's only 11:35.
Exactly. So I just wanted to make sure I was thinking the right way according to the strategy. So thank you.
Yes, you were.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.